Homeowners in Knoxville are increasingly recognizing that one of the most effective ways to reduce monthly energy expenses and boost home comfort lies in replacing old, inefficient windows. The impact of new windows on energy bills is substantial, particularly in a city like Knoxville, where seasonal temperature swings, from humid summers to chilly winters, constrain HVAC systems. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, residents can enjoy lower energy consumption, enhanced indoor comfort, and long-term savings that make this investment worthwhile. Understanding how windows affect energy efficiency. Windows play a crucial role in maintaining your home's temperature. In older homes, original or outdated windows often allow heat to escape during winter and enter during summer, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. Common problems include single-pane glass, poor sealing, and deteriorated frames, all of which lead to air leaks and thermal transfer. When warm or cool air seeps through cracks and inefficient panes, your HVAC system compensates by running longer and more frequently. This leads directly to higher energy bills. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heat gain and loss through windows account for up to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. That means improving your window's performance can dramatically reduce energy waste. Energy-efficient window technologies for Knoxville homes. Modern window replacement options are engineered to combat these inefficiencies. Knoxville homeowners can choose from several technologies designed to optimize performance in varying climate conditions. Double or triple pane glass. These windows use multiple layers of glass separated by inert gases like argon or krypton, which reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Low emissivity coatings. These thin, invisible layers reflect infrared light, helping keep heat inside during winter and outside during summer without blocking natural light. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames provide better insulation than traditional aluminum, minimizing temperature fluctuations and condensation. Warm edge spacers. These separate glass panes and reduce heat flow at the window's edge, preventing energy loss and enhancing durability. When properly installed, these technologies create a barrier that keeps Knoxville homes more stable in temperature, no matter the season. Lowering Knoxville energy bills. Real savings for homeowners. The financial impact of window replacement can be seen almost immediately. Homeowners often report noticeable drops in heating and cooling costs, sometimes up to 20 to 30% depending on the age and efficiency of their previous windows. In Knoxville's humid subtropical climate, the ability to retain cool air during hot summers and warm air during cold winters translates directly into lower monthly utility bills. Beyond the immediate energy savings, many Knoxville homeowners also benefit from rebates and incentives offered by local utilities or state programs that encourage energy-efficient home upgrades. These financial incentives can significantly offset the initial investment, making energy-efficient window replacement both cost-effective and environmentally responsible. Enhanced comfort and home value. The benefits extend beyond lower bills. New energy-efficient windows make your home quieter, reduce drafts, and maintain a more consistent temperature in every room. The UV protection offered by modern glazing also prevents furniture and flooring from fading over time. Moreover, window replacement adds to your property's market appeal. Homebuyers in Knoxville are increasingly drawn to energy-efficient features, recognizing their long-term value. In fact, energy-efficient windows can boost a home's resale value and curb appeal, an important consideration in today's competitive housing market. Long-term return on investment. While window replacement requires an upfront cost, it pays off through years of reduced energy bills, improved comfort, and increased property value. The longevity of modern materials, especially vinyl and fiberglass, means minimal maintenance and long-lasting efficiency. Many homeowners recover a large portion of their investment within just a few years through energy savings alone. Conclusion: for Knoxville homeowners seeking a smarter, greener way to reduce monthly expenses, window replacement offers one of the most effective solutions. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only lowers energy consumption but also enhances comfort, air quality, and the overall value of your home. Whether your goal is to cut costs, improve sustainability, or simply enjoy a cozier living environment, replacing outdated windows is an investment that delivers measurable, lasting results.